Hey everyone, welcome back to VoltiTech. If you're here, you're probably looking to level up your productivity game. And let's be honest, whether you're a student or a working professional, life can get a bit overwhelming. So today, I'm sharing 5 amazing Chrome extensions that can transform the way you study, work, and get things done. These aren't just any extensions, they're the tools I wish I knew about sooner. So let's dive in and get you on the fast track to being more efficient, organized, and focused. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel because it's free. Let's dive in. First up, we have Notion Web Clipper. Now, if you're using Notion to organize your life, this extension is an absolute must-have. Notion Web Clipper lets you save any web page or article directly into your Notion workspace with just one click. Imagine you're researching a topic for an assignment or a work project, and you find a ton of useful articles. Instead of bookmarking or pasting links, just clip them into Notion. This way you can save everything in one place, add notes, organize by projects, and never lose track of your resources. It's a time saver and keeps all your research streamlined. Coming in at number 2 is one of my personal favorites, Grammarly. For anyone writing essays, reports, emails, or even social media posts, Grammarly is like having your own personal proofreader. It checks for grammar, punctuation, and even style. Plus, it has a tone detector, so you can make sure your message comes across just the way you want. The best part? Grammarly works directly in Google Docs, emails, and even on social media. So whether you're polishing a project or shooting a quick email to your boss, Grammarly has you covered. Trust me, this is one of those tools that'll save you from embarrassing typos and make your writing look professional. Next on the list is StayFocusd, the extension that helps you stay, well, focused. We all know how easy it is to get distracted by social media or random browsing when we're supposed to be working. With StayFocusd, you can set daily limits on the sites that usually pull you away from being productive. For example, you can give yourself only 10 minutes a day on YouTube or Twitter. Once you reach your limit, the extension blocks the site for the rest of the day. It's like having a digital coach reminding you to stay on track. Ideal for anyone prone to getting sucked into the internet when you've got deadlines looming. At number 4, we have Momentum, an extension that turns every new tab into a beautiful productivity dashboard. The concept here is simple but powerful. Every time you open a new tab, Momentum displays a gorgeous background, an inspirational quote, and a reminder of your main goal for the day. It also lets you add a to-do list that stays visible every time you open a new tab. So, if you're tempted to start browsing or get off task, Momentum pulls you back in with a reminder of what you need to accomplish. This extension adds a touch of motivation and a calming vibe to your workspace. And finally, we have Todoist for Chrome, the ultimate to-do list and task manager extension. Todoist lets you turn any web page, email, or article into a task with one click. It's perfect for managing both personal and professional tasks, organizing them into categories, and even setting deadlines. Say you get an important email about a meeting, just click. Save it as a task in Todoist, and it's automatically added to your to-do list. You can view and track all your tasks directly from the extension, so it's an awesome way to keep everything in check without jumping between different tabs or apps. And that's a wrap on our top 5 Chrome extensions for students and professionals. These tools are super easy to add to Chrome and can make a real difference in your productivity and focus. Whether you're organizing research with Notion Web Clipper, staying error-free with Grammarly, or managing your tasks with Todoist, there's something here for everyone. Which extension are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tech tips here on VoltiTech. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.